Hi there, I'm Zoe Clarke, your customer training specialist at RosterElf. Today, I'll show you how to set up and use your time clock pin so you can breeze through clock-ins, clock-outs, and breaks. How to set up your time clock pin. Go to RosterElf.net and log in with your usual email and password to access your account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner to open your personal options. Select My Profile from the drop-down menu so your profile details appear. Find the PIN field in the modal and enter a 4-digit number you'll easily remember. Click Save Personal Info to lock in your new PIN for future shifts. How to clock in and out with your PIN. Head to the tablet at your work site with the Time Clock app already open. Enter your 4-digit PIN to clock in at the start of your shift. Enter the same PIN again at the end of the day to clock out and record your hours. How to take breaks with your PIN. Enter your PIN on the tablet when you start your break so it is recorded accurately. Enter the PIN again when you finish your break so your shift times stay precise. How to avoid PIN mix-ups. Remember that your time clock PIN only works for clocking in, clocking out, and breaks on the tablet. Use your regular password if you need to log in to the RosterElf website or mobile app. Ask your manager if you need the separate admin PIN that keeps the time clock app logged in on the tablet. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, our friendly support team is always here for you. Happy rostering!